Jai Srimanarayana. 150th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Jetre Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are ever successful in all undertakings. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who ordains Brahma, Rudra to act as per your wishes. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Jetre Namaha. Om Jetre Namaha. With meditation upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Ramachandra Swami, just before leaving to Aranyavasam, Rama is now giving all kind of precautions to Sitamma. Rama says that, "Oh Sita, you have to behave very nicely. Do not go against Bharata. Bharata, he is not only the king for the kingdom, but also he is the master of this house. So you should not be doing whatever that he does not like. So you behave very nicely and also keep on doing Devataradhana, fastings and vratas for my well-being." Like this, when Rama started giving precautions to Sitamma, when Rama started asking Sita to be here in the kingdom, now Sitamma is saying that, "Oh Rama, what is this? What are you talking all this? With enough amount of love and also which is mixed with anger." Now Sitamma is saying these things to Rama. "Oh Rama, I am feeling like laughing at you when you are talking like this. Oh Rama, Pita, Mata, Bhrata, Putra, father, mother, brother, children, in this entire world, all these people, they do their own karma charana, and based on that, they undergo the experiences of their karma. Whereas only one entity in this entire world, that is wife, that is Dharmapatni, she always takes part in the karma charana of husband. She is not a separate entity. You have to understand that when they ordered you to go to forest, that means it is understood that they ordered me also to go to forest along with you. Rama, they don't ask me separately because I am part of yourself. I am part and parcel of yourself. Rama, I will walk right before you in the forest. I will walk ahead of you in the forest. agrataste gamishyami mrudnanti kusakantakan. I will go ahead of you and make sure the path is very safe for you to walk. I will make everything safe for you. O Rama, I did not commit so much of amount of sin resulting to be separately from you. I did not do that much of papam. Why should I be separate? Why should I be away from you? O Rama, I don't care this kingdom. I don't care to be living in these palaces. I don't care these pleasures. I don't care any of these comforts. I don't ask for the travel in the great flights. I don't need all these mundane pleasures. Rama, all that I need is to be with you all the time. That's all I want. There is no such greatest place where a wife can be craving for. Only the association of husband is the highest place for wife. O Rama, my parents raised me feeding all great righteous tenets from our scriptures. So I know how to behave, I know how to be with you, I know how to take care of you. I will make sure there won't be any kind of pain, trouble just because of me to you. O Rama, how much ever the dense forest it may be, how much ever the fearful forest it may be, how many ever cruel wild animals are there in that forest, I am coming along with you. I am going with you to the forest. I don't care all these three worlds. All that I care is I serve you. I want your service. I want to serve you. That's all I want. O Rama, if I am with you, even if it is the big, cruel, wild, fearful forest, I feel like I am at my home, my mother's home. To that extent, association with, company with you gives me so much of happy. O Rama, you are able to, you have capacity, you have strength to take care of all the people in the forest. It's not a big deal for you to take care of me. O Rama, I will definitely follow all the rules that you put, and I will go along with you. O Rama, I will be definitely eating whatever you eat. Maybe it is fruit, maybe it is a leaf, maybe it is a herb. Nate dukkham karishyami. I don't cause any kind of pain to you. Like this, in several ways, Sitamma presenting herself so that Rama would be convinced for her to go along with him to the forest. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 16th sloka. Bhrajishnuh bhojanam bhokta Sahishnuh jagadadijaha. అనఘో విజయో జేతా విశ్వయోనిః పునర్వసుః. ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం జేత్రే నమః. ఓం జేత్రే నమః. ఓం జేత్రే నమః.